Everyone, Golden Hydro of aka Michael back here with another video. Today we are going to be making slime because we have the 3 glitter glue bottles here, and then we have oh wait, did you bring the mixing thing? We need something to mix it with. Go get it. Oh my goodness, calm down, take it easy, bud. Gonna get this again. We have the contact solution. Good and dabs. We have the contact solution and the baking soda. So honestly, this is my first time making slime. So let's see the instructions, because it showed with the glue bottles. These are actually meant to do slime. See, the blue, green, and red. Step 1: pour entire bottle of 6 I don't read that stuff. Elmer's glitter glue into the container. So what we need to do is put all of the glitter into the container. Okay, we're using spoons. Ha! Okay, so let's just do this, like that. And I'm just gonna do this. Wait, we need a tripod. We need a tripod, guys. We need a tripod. Hi. I need a tripod. I need a tripod. With the extra. Just gonna use the baking soda for now. Ew. Use the baking soda. So it says on this, it says to pour the whole entire glue bottle into this bowl. So let's do that. And honestly, if we mess up, I only have one take to do this. Cute color. I love how it has glitter in it. It's just actually beautiful. We're doing this through a home improvement, and also I left New Jersey because you know what I mean. I had to come over here to Pennsylvania. Ew, boom. So just pour the whole thing in here. Put the whole thing. There we go. We also got my Uncle Macho up in here. No 21, but he's a savage like a macho. No, just empty. Does anyone know that reference from Jake Paul? Okay, I think I'm finished. Get out. Get out. My cousin is on it, doing hers as well. Ew. So she's doing blue, I'm doing red, my uncle is doing green. I think I am almost done, guys. Wait.
Go like that.
Done. And she's already finished. I don't even know if she made slime before, did you?
Yes.
Yes, you made slime before, okay. There we go. I think we are done with that. So what else do we need? Where's the instructions? Where's the instructions? Here we go. Okay, so actually,
look.
I think I could switch the tripod out
I just wanted
for these extras. Hold on. Put the baking powder right there. So we're still going, we're still rolling. So the next thing to do is add 1 teaspoon. Oh my goodness. Who's messing up the tripod? Who's messing up the tripod? Oh my gosh, it's too close.
Look, it's already made. It's literally already made.
Oh my goodness, guys. I don't even think you guys could see me, to be honest. You know what? We're going back to the baking soda. Where's the baking soda? I'm actually blind for not seeing that. No, we'll use that. So we need 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. Bad. Because that's my tripod right now. So 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda right here. Now who's gonna pour the 1 teaspoon of baking soda?
Me.
Pour it for everyone.
There we go.
1 teaspoon. Actually gonna flip the camera around. What a flip.
Yeah, put it in yours.
That's more than 1 spoon.
No, it has to be only 1 spoon. That's good.
Whoa.
Okay, in here. And then I believe
Do
we have
we
to mix it
start
after
mixing?
this. Hold on, I'll just read the instructions. Okay, Macho, do yours now, because I need my tripod. So, what else? So, it is... What's actually... Okay, don't mix it yet. Add the contact solution. And then we are almost finished. Move this almost glue out of here. So...
What? This is enough for
Contact solution goes. We are about to make the slime mixture. We're actually making slime.
Somebody open it.
Bang!
Wait, did it bring contact? Wait, it brought these.
Put that back in there.
Wait, it's for contacts.
Obviously, because it's contact solution. Just never mind that. Well, we're supposed to do it straight down there. Right there. Now, how much contact solution do we have to add? Add
Just put some
1/4
over
teaspoon.
it. 1/4. Just let Macho do this.
Okay, let's do this, guys. Got the contact solution.
Bro, you still have some.
No, I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now you guys have to do yours. Now on this, it says to just mix it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna get more contact solution just in case. Possibly.
There we go.
Let me see.
Just wasting my contact.
And then you gotta mix it, right?
Just in case, I'm just adding a little bit more, guys. Now all you have to do is just mix it until it gets that consistency of slime.
How much? Five spoons?
It looks like it's kind of getting there. It is kind of getting to that consistency that you need for slime. Oh, look at that, guys. That consistency is
How are they
beautiful.
gonna look if you're not showing it to them?
Actually, yeah, like that. Look at that. Let's see the consistency. Oh, that is slime consistency right there, guys. Let's just keep mixing it.
This is if you want rainbow.
Da-da.
It's if you want rainbow.
Yeah, so if you want rainbow, you have to do every single one of those. Actually, we just bought it. We just bought it at Walmart, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to make slime, just buy it at Walmart. Then tell you what you need, and we have all the stuff. That is like luck right there.
In the
That's
description
luck.
below.
No, not in the description below. That's too much. Ooh, it's definitely getting to that consistency. Of
Mine's
slime.
already did.
Look at that.
Michael, look.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, her consistency is absolutely beautiful. Let me just show you guys right now. Look at that. Consistency of slime right there. Consistency of slime.
It's gonna be very sticky.
Careful, don't do that, because then the tripod is just gonna be absolutely done. Not even tripod, just baking soda.
What? I have some more?
Oh my
Gee,
god!
I can't believe I have more blue. You can't put a lot, Macho. It's gonna mess it up. Yes, it is. You don't know nothing about slime, bro.
Okay, let's just put that back in because it touched my hand.
Something's wetting me.
Okay,
Come
so
on.
let's keep trying to mix
Because
it.
you know Anna did this, right?
Ew, let me touch this.
Let's try this. Oh,
No,
look
it's
at
messed
that,
up.
guys.
I just want to stir it out the bowl. This is too small for it.
It's gonna be some weird slime, especially if it's made by me, guys. Just look at this.
Just gonna leave it like that, maybe. Oh, it's coming out. Thank you. I'm tired. You are so excited.
Touch it with your hands. See it look at that, guys. Oh, it's definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. I think we have to keep mixing it, to be honest. It's getting to that slime consistency.
Just in case. Want to add more? Just in case. Ah!
I think, guys, I added a little bit too much content. Maybe a little bit. Oh, look at his.
How is there gonna? You don't make sense. Okay, this is not going on YouTube, right?
So this is pretty. This is actually pretty good, guys.
Just gonna get a little bit of baking soda because they don't know what they're talking
Oh
about.
my goodness. She's messing up the tripod. I need this tripod.
Ew.
Oh, look at this one.
It's doing it.
Here's actually.
Ew.
Yo.